Hello guys, welcome to another Infinite Dimension tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to model a cushion ball in Blender. So without any further ado, let's start. As always, press X and delete the default cube. Press Shift A and add a UV sphere. Tap to edit mode. Press R, X and rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. Press 1 to straight to front view and then Alt Z to turn on X-ray mode. Select half of the sphere. Okay. Now press P and then separate the selection. Tap to object mode. Select this half. Press R and then Z and type 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the Z axis. Select both halves. Press Ctrl J to combine them. Go to the modifiers tab and add a weld modifier. And then press Ctrl A to apply it. Tap to edit mode. Press 2 to switch to edge selection mode. Select this loop. Press Ctrl B to bevel. And then I to create an insert. Press Alt E and then select extrude faces along normal. And then extrude inside. Go to the vectors data tab. And then add a vectors group. Assign the vectors to the vectors group. Go to the material tab. Click on new. And then rename it to green. Click on add and then click on new. This time rename it to white. Okay, now select green, come to the base color and change the color to green, and then select the white and click on assign this selected loops to the white color. Now tap to object mode, press Ctrl A, apply the scale, and then Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier. Okay, now right click and shade smooth. Press Alt Z to turn off the X-ray mode. Okay. Now go to the particles tab, click on add and change it to hair. Decrease the hair length to 0.06. Okay, go to the vectors group and then select the vectors group you created. Click on this icon to flip it. We don't want the hair to be in this space here, so yeah. Now go to children and then select interpolated. Scroll down and go to roughness. Increase the uniform to 0.06 and then go to render and check B spline. Okay, now press Z and switch to material preview to preview what you have created. We are done modeling the cushion ball, so let's create a cut for it. Yeah, so press G, Z and 1 to move it up on the floor, and then press Shift A and add a plane. Press S to scale it. Okay, let's go to solid view. Tap before that, press Ctrl A to apply the scale. Tap to edit mode. Press E to extrude it down. Switch to face selection mode and select this face. Press I to insert. Then press E to extrude it down. Now go to the material tab, click on new, rename it to black. Click on add and then click on new and rename it to let's say orange. And then change the base color to orange. Okay, and then select the black and then change the color to black. Okay, then select orange and click on assign to assign the selected face to the orange material. Now tap to object mode, press Z and straight to material preview. Okay, press 0 on your numpad to shift to camera view. Click on this to lock the camera and then adjust it. Okay, now press Z again and switch to render mode. Select the light source, go to the light data tab and switch to area. Press shift A, go to light and add another area light. Press G, Z and move it up. Go to the data tab again and increase the power to like 500. Okay, press G and then Y to move it here. Alright, press shift A again and add a plane, scale it up, then press G and Z, move it down. Okay, now let's select this light, press shift D to duplicate it, then Y to move it at the back. Okay, and we are done, guys. You can go ahead and then render your scene. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like or share.